Facebook Messenger stuck on sending? Here's how to fix it. Fix 1. Check network connection. Step 1. Toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data off and on. Step 2. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, e.g. 4G, 5G. Step 3. Enable airplane mode for 30 seconds, then disable it. Fix 2. Force a close and restart Messenger. Step 1. Fully close Messenger. Swipe it away from recent apps. Step 2. Force stop Messenger via Settings, Apps, Android. Step 3. Reopen the app and send again. Fix 3. Update or reinstall Messenger. Step 1. Update to the latest Messenger version via the App Store or Play Store. Step 2. If already updated and issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the app. Fix 4. Clear cache and storage. Android. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Messenger Storage. Step 2. Tap Clear Cache. Step 3. If needed, use Clear Data. This may reset settings. Fix 5. Disable VPN, Data Saver, and Chat Heads. Step 1. Turn off any VPN services. Step 2. Disable Data Saver or Low Data Mode in device settings or within Messenger. Step 3. Android. Turn off Chat Heads, Bubble Heads. Fix 6. Log out and back in. Sign out of Messenger. Then sign in again to reset session tokens. Fix 7. Reset network settings. This resets all saved Wi-Fi and mobile data configurations. Useful if multiple apps are affected.